Hello guys, Devjyoti here from webisotip.com, and today's video I am going to tell you how to create Bootstrap testimonial slider. In my previous video I already make a testimonial, but this is include slider, so it will be little advanced. So let's see how design a testimonial slider. Okay, so move in my code editor. Okay, now I am coming in TeamViewer and you can see that's a standard Bootstrap document. Here in extra I add this custom style sheet. This is actually empty style sheet. I add this for my custom coding, and font awesome. This is the font awesome. Actually I use CND of the font awesome for icons. Okay, so let's start and try to see my video without skip to better understand. And the following code I will give the link in the description of the video. From there you can take it. I will share the Google Drive link. Okay, so take a div, and div ID will be testimonial. Okay, class Carlson slide testimonial for ampersand indicators. Another one, control bottom, another one, thumb scroll, X direction, and sweep X also. X. After that, data right, that will be carousel, and data pause, on hover. So event actually hover. Whenever you mouse over on the testimonial, the slider stops slide actually. Okay, after that, data interval means the speed of the slide. Data interval interval equal to, I'm giving 5005 seconds. and data duration, I mean after completing one slide, the time after that the next slide will start, like that. Data duration will be 2000. 2000 means actually 2000 here in milliseconds, so 2000 means 2 seconds. And let's close it. Okay, so in between that I am taking another div, and class will be testimonial for header. Okay, so close it. I am adding the heading, so Bootstrap testimonial slider, like that something should be given. Okay, so I am taking H4. Okay, so after that, after this completing the div, I have to take a order list, and the class will be carousel indicators, this one. Okay, so close it. Take the li list order, and for that data target, so data TRGAT, sorry, it's misspelled I think. Data target, so data target equal to testimonial for, sorry TESTI testimonial 4. Okay, so after that data slide 2, that's the number I think. Yeah, I have to give 0, and class is equal to active. Okay, so next one also will be the same thing, just active class will be get removed and the number will be changed at that time. Okay, so here remove the active class. Okay, and it will be 1 here, and it will be 2 here, and here also the active class should not be there. Okay, so let's another div, class will be carousel inner, okay, and role will be list box. Close it. In between that, take another div, class, and it will be item, and I'm taking this as active. Okay, so close it, and after that div class testimonial for slide, make sure the spell should be same. testimonial slide. So after that, close that, and we are going to take the image and source. Let's browse the image. I have some images already, so select the image. Yeah, I think here. Okay, F1 I'm take, and F1 class will be class image circle, and another will be image responsive. Close it. Next, take a paragraph, take some random text. I don't record that much, that's it will be enough. Okay, after this paragraph, take an H4 for writing that client name. I'm taking the some random name, Ryan Tandon. Okay, so I required this item again another 3 times, so just copy it, paste it, and paste it. I have to change something here. It should not be active. I mean, at a time one single should be active, so remove this active and change the names. Okay, and take some images and change that. I have to take the images also, so let's browse for the images and F2. Okay, yes, F2 and same here, and F3. Okay, yes, and going to image, save it. Okay, it's ready now. Okay, so let's check the output once, how it's looked like. Before that, I can do another thing. Let's take the navigations. No, navigation should be after that, so after not after here will be. So after item. Okay, this is after item, after this, so the code will be start from here. So taking anchor tag, class, left cursor control, left carousel control, and href will be testimonial. Okay, and its role should be bottom. After that, data slide, and the data slide will be previous div. So in between the rank cut, take a span class fa c e chevron right. Sorry, it will be left. Copy it. Okay, next, and it should be right, and it also should be right. Okay, that's it. Let's save it. Yeah, this come like that. Okay, the slider is working now, but I need little bit customization because I need proper alignment and all. So for that, let's move to the CSS portion. So first testimonial phone, overflow is equal to hidden, okay, minimum height equal to 375 pixel. Okay, next position relative. Okay, background should be, you can take anything. Background is not needed. Let's give that background image directly. Background URL. So I have to browse for the image. Yeah, this is the image. Yes, save in the my project file. Okay, next, background size, that is cover. Okay, now and dot cursor inner, sorry, it's called and sorry, INNERWBR and with 75% and margin will be auto. Okay, next cursor is not in hover. In hover, I'm changing the cursor actually. Cursor equal to mouse grab. Okay, I have to write it again. Cursor WebKit grab okay, repeat grab. After that, next come to the next. The active cursor inert, and for the active one, okay, so further cursor mouse grabbing. Okay, I have to write it another time. Cursor WebKit grabbing. Okay, now for cursor inner item, item workflow should be hidden. Okay, sorry. Okay. Not for styling the carousel indicators. And for carousel indicators and testimonial indicators, both class I am taking at a time. Okay. So left 0, margin 0, make it. Left 0, margin that also 0. Okay, wide is equal to 100%. And after that font size should be 0. Should be 0. Height should be like giving 20 pixels. And bottom is equal to 15 is enough, I think. 15 pixel. Padding 0, and after padding cursor and the cursor will be size workflow X and Y. Workflow X will be auto, workflow X will be auto, overflow Y will be hidden. Position absolute, text align. Align will be center. After that white space. Will be no warp. Okay. After that, for the li of the carousel indicators, copy the same thing. Go to the next line and for the li. Okay. So for the li also okay, padding will be 0. So let's take the weight of 10 pixel. After width is equal to height, also taking same. Okay, So height also 10 pixel. Border will be none. Text indicate or text indent, sorry, text indent will be 0. Margin, text margin will be 2 pixel and 3 pixel. And cursor will be pointer only. Sorry, I misspelled again. CUR. Cursor will be pointer. And after the display, inline block, of course, inline block, and background, make it my favorite white. Background, okay, has okay. After make it white, see, oh, it's white. So after that, going to that border radius, I have to change border radius. Better write once in simple and once in WebKit. WebKit border radius, it also should be 0. Okay. So after that, testimonial for indicators and for cursor indicators also. Sorry, I will misspell. Okay. For the next, for the testimonial indicator and cursor indicator, I'm changing the background and the border radius. Okay. So for the testimonial control bottom, for testimonial for control bottom and cursor control, there are so many steps. Top, first of all, top I am giving 170 pixel or 175 will be better. 175 pixel. Opacity 1, it's the highest opacity actually. Wide, (40 pixel). Bottom 0. Bottom will be 0, will be the gate, I think. Or bottom make it auto else. outer bottom height 40 pixel, font size will be 10 pixel, cursor also I recognize actually I think videos length will be going very long, so for that actually better to write everything and come back. Anyhow, I am going to give the code in my description. From there you can directly click and download that, and in my blog also if possible I'll try to give that. Okay, so I'll come back after complete writing the CSS. Okay, so my code writing is over. Actually you can see it's a very huge code, so for that only I skip the code writing recording. Anyhow, I'm going to give everything in the description. You just copy paste the code and you can practice. Okay, so now save it and let's move to my HTML code and going to the live preview. Okay, it's properly working. Thank you for seeing my video. If you have any question, you can write in comment section. Thank you.